guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. I have some new releases for you. We have the brand new Sunny Studios release. I love Sunny Studios. I'm going to share their stamps and dies. I also have some other things that came in. I'll share that with you as well. If you like seeing this sort of video, hit that subscribe button and that like button. That helps get the video out to more people, and I really appreciate that. So this one here is called Looking Sharp. It features 4 different cacti. We've got a little party hat that you can put on the little plants, and then there's smiley faces so you can decorate them and turn them really cute. We've got the sentiments, hoping your birthday is on point and looking sharp. There is a coordinating die available as well. So another smaller stamp set, we have the Happy Hamsters stamp set and coordinating die. And I love that it will cut the inside of the wheel out, so then you can have your little hamster in there. And we've got 4 cuties. There's a peanut, and there's some hearts. The sentiments say, "Hi cutie, I really like you." So punny, so cute. And then we've got their floral stamp set. This is a layering stamp set, and Sunny Studios has the best layering stamps, in my opinion. We've got poppy fields, so these make really pretty poppy flowers. The coordinating die will cut out the flower for you after it's all layered up. We've got leaves and stems, so the die is very helpful for that. And they are numbered so you know which ones to stamp first. So those are really pretty. If you go on my website, there are some samples from Sunny Studio on all these stamps, featuring some beautiful cards that they created. This one is called Tiki Time. I really love this little tiki bar here. Very, very cute. We've got an elephant, a little parrot, another one here, a tiki torch, some tropical drinks. The sentiments are, "You are the pina colada to my." So to go with this cute little Tiki Time stamp set, I think this one is perfect. This is the Beach Buddies, because these little critters have their little paws up, and then just their little heads, they could be peeking over the little tiki bar here. So isn't that cute? And then there's some accessories in here, so you can kind of make a little beach theme with the tiki bar. Very, very cute. So you can mix and match all your sentiments here to create something unique. And then we've got the Beach Buddies over here. The same concept with the sentiments. May your day be filled with sunshine. So super cute. Looks like you can dress up these little guys with sunglasses or snorkel hats. Some beach accessories. Super fun. We've got Color My World. So this is another layering stamp set. So we've got a crayon, a pencil, and we've got the palette of paints there and paintbrush. So this looks really cool when it's all layered up. Check out the card designs for this. And then this is the coordinating die for that. We've got Outback Critters. So I always love me some critters. So we've got all kinds of cute little critters in here. And then we've got different sentiments to create something. There's lots of different words in here, like sister, mom, a friend, dad, granddaughter. We've got hoping your birthday is, I find you amusing, G-Day mate, quality. And then we've got a sentiment pack. So this one is all about teacher appreciation. So we've got some larger sentiments: shine, teacher, highlight, thank you, teacher, brightened, teachers. And then we've got the smaller ones to pair up. Truly great teacher. It's hard to find, difficult to part with, and impossible to forget. For going above and beyond, for helping me. So really nice stamp set. we've got some some standalone dies here. There's a big giant cupcake, A2 cupcake shaped die, so you can make a little card shaped in a cupcake by doing some fancy die cutting. And you can decorate it with a candle and a cherry. There's a heart, there's sprinkles. So super fun. I've even seen them create a little box out of this. So by creating the inside and then pasting these two on the ends, kind of like a little bag. There's a little pocket here. It also includes the 4U and another 4 little die there. And this is a gift card pocket. So you can easily add this to the inside of your card, put a little gift card in there for a little treat. There's 2 fences. So we have a small fence, and this one is called the scallop fence. Kind of goes in that little shape. And then it does come with more posts in the top of the posts. So if you want to cut that out in different color cardstock, add it to the top. And then this one is the picket fence. So we get a longer fence here. Also, you can cut it out in different cardstock with this wood grain here, layer it on top. Looks like, and then we've got the grass. This one is the Stitch Rectangles die. So you get 3 different sizes and 2 banners with stitching. And then we've got the Chloe alphabet. So really nice font on this, nice size. So you get your alphabet. So that's the Sunny Studio release. This is called Bluebell and Buttercup, and this is from Craft Consortium. I think that's how you say it. And these little cuties are so cute. These are the wood shapes. They're white, and then they've got the colored image on them. So cute. The images on here are so darling. There's clear stamps. So this is a whole collection that matches this paper pad. And this paper pad is super cute. It's like a book. It's just like a book. Isn't that cute? Look at the, like a spine. I love how they did the design on this. And there's some printed images on the cover, so you can cut them out and use them. We've got these cute little cutouts. That cute. So you get quite a few of them, so you don't have to worry about hoarding it. Go ahead and use them. Look at those cute little scenes. And then there's pattern paper on the back if you don't want to use the scene. And then we've got, these have little gloss on them. Isn't that pretty? Only on the one side. The other side is matte. And then some little bluebells with little bees flying around. 2 different colors. And then we got some butterflies in 2 different colors. We've got some speech bubbles, sentiments here. Same thing. And then little bluebells and pretty flowers. There's a pretty little scene there. Very, very cute. Got some cupcakes, and then the little cupcake has some glitter on it. Polka dots. And then some more pictures on the back that you can cut out. And then these stamps coordinate with that. So these are really cute. Look how cute and pretty. So there's 4 different ones. They're all so cute. This one has a donkey on it. Really pretty. And then the wood shapes. So really cute collection. And you can find this under paper, or the easiest way to find this is under my paper section. So I have those all listed there. So I have the link for the Sunny Studio and for this in the description box for you guys. And I will talk to you guys real soon. Thanks for stopping by, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye guys!